Now for this question here, we're given that there's a rectangle and the sides are in the ratio of 5 to 3. Now the longer side is 18 centimeters. So here, this is going to be the side that's going to be in the ratio of 3, and this longer side is going to be 5. Now this is how they're going to be proportional to one another. So we're going to use this information to figure out the actual width of this rectangle. And so what we're going to do first off is let x represent, and let's use something different because we're trying to find the length of the shorter side. So we're going to say let w represent the width. And so if w is the width, then we're going to look at this as length over width when we do set up our ratio. So this is going to be 5 over 3. Now we're told that the longest side is actually 18 centimeters. So we're going to write this as 18 over w. And so now we've got a proportion. And so now we can cross multiply just like we did before. And we're going to get 5 times w. So when we cross multiply here, 5w is equal to 3 times 18. Well, 3 times 18 is going to be 54. And we divide both sides now by 5 to isolate the variable. So w is equal to 10.8. And the units are going to be centimeters because the length is given in centimeters. And so we write a therefore statement. Therefore, the length of the shorter side is 10.8 centimeters. For part B now, remember formula for area of a rectangle is length times width, and get in the habit of leaving the multiplication sign out. So then you sub it in brackets. This is going to be 18 times 10.8, and call up our calculator. And 18 times 10.8 is equal to 194.4. So this means that the area then is going to be 194.4 centimeters. And remember, units for area are square units, so it'll be centimeters squared.